Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chemistry Lab Kit unboxing video. So hopefully you all got one of these either from the bookstore or, well, ultimately from the bookstore. Either you picked it up or you got it delivered to you in the mail. And I'm going to be opening it and unboxing and revealing the chemistry kit that you've all received. So, the first thing I'm going to pull out is some fun Mylar balloons. These are actually for the last lab of the semester, so hold on to those. You got yourself a fancy little digital scale, commonly used by jewelers, but we're going to be using it for chemistry. This kit is great. This is a brand new one. So you've got your user manual. It comes with the scale. The scale operates with two AAA batteries or via a USB charger. It also comes with a weigh pan, cute little weigh pan, a calibration weight that's 100 grams here. Oh, and this one actually comes with batteries for you. Ah, nice. It also comes with a pair of tweezers that are buried under here, which are going to be helpful in one of your labs. So just, feel free to explore that. Get that back in here. You also have some glassware in plastic form, some important pieces. So we've got our beaker sets. These are beakers. There's 4 of them, a 500 ml, a 250 ml, a 100 ml, and a 50 ml. And stack them like Russian dolls and set them aside. You've also got 3 graduated cylinders of various sizes, the 100 ml, the 25 ml, and the 10 milliliter. Graduated cylinders. Put those aside. And we've got, also in one of those, we've got a little disposable pipette. You may need this for multiple labs. I didn't really think it through, but I just threw it in there in case you do need it. So don't throw it away until the end of the semester. It is disposable, but we're going to reuse it as needed. Then you also have some plastic baggies in here. So the first one I'm going to pull out is the Atoms and Moles kit, which contains some goodies that are technically edible, but you are not going to eat them. At least I advise you not to. We also have the empirical formula lab, which just looks like some folded coffee filters, but there are some things inside here you will see. And we have this stoichiometry of chalk lab in this baggie. And then we have a baggie that's got a ruler, a plastic spatula, and a metal cube. Those are sort of the miscellaneous items. You should have a pair of safety goggles. Yours probably look different than this, but safety goggles always an important piece of chemistry. And then at the bottom you should have a blue folder. And in this folder we have the list of all of the kit contents. All right, in yellow, what's highlighted here in yellow are things that need to be returned at the end of the semester. Things like the scale and the beakers, things that are reusable for me with future students. The disposable items you can dispose of at the end. It also note the important things that you need to purchase yourself. So these are items that were either excessively expensive for me to ship or unsafe for me to ship, probably a little bit of both. And they're super cheap and easy to find. So you need to get yourself a bottle of white vinegar. I got this one at Aldi, I think. You can get it at any grocery store, drugstore, dollar store, all right, for $1. And a bottle of hydrogen peroxide. Just from the first aid aisle is where you would find this in any drugstore, grocery store, or dollar store, also around $1. So get yourself those 2 things and you will have a full chemistry set. Behind that is the home lab safety guidelines that you will need to read and sign. You'll sign that you acknowledge them on Blackboard. I also included just pull these all out, a periodic table for you to use. You're going to need this almost all the time that you're doing chemistry, so I went ahead and just printed one out for you. So maybe you want to laminate it or stick it in something waterproof, something durable, so that you can use it all summer long. And then the last 2 pages are actually one of the first labs. I think it's the second lab that you're doing, the Atoms and Moles lab, so it goes with this kit here. everyone has a unique set of atoms that I've assigned them, so I included that one in the kit. All the other labs you will need to print yourself, or just, copy down on paper. You don't necessarily have to print them. But that's it. So that's our entire lab kit for chemistry.